Okay, so this is the screw which come off from there. See, I think it's Torx 30 if I'm not mistaken. Also on the other side it's another screw which is on the back of the center console. Then you need to unscrew the front ones as I'm gonna show you, and then this will come all off. You need to pull it up and to you, up and back. So this, you hold it from here, just pull it right off, pulling forward, and then up, and this come off. Okay, these smaller pieces, just pull it off from the side, it will come off. It's holding in this small piece. You can see that thing over there. To put it back, just put this side on, and that's it. Okay guys, so this is, you need to pry this off, this cover, and then pull hard on that one. That's it.
Watch the face.
Yeah, and then there you have it. And in case this top is coming off, you will need to follow. You see that it's a smaller side and also a bigger side, so you need to put it like that and twist it slightly, and that's it. And then to put it back on, just slide in and let your weight on it.
You'll feel a click.
Yeah. And then that is how it's going back. See? And watch the spring to not lose the spring. There inside of this one, after you take this knob off, will be a small spring. Make sure it's that spring in there. This is how it starts. Take that off. Okay guys, so this is, that two screw needs to be removed. It's from this side and from that side. Do not be confused with these ones. There it's another one. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, see that smaller one, don't confuse with that one. This one and that one on the side. Also this one needs to go off first. Also the wire from the cigarette lighter needs to be removed. This one you can just pull it off like that and will come off. Need to pull it up and to you, up and back. Okay guys, so these 4 screws needs to go off. Be careful when you take them down back not to exaggerate with that, because you can break the plastic on the bottom. Okay, so you will need to remove all these 4 bolts, and then these clips, and she needs to be pushed in, just like so. And once you push them in, you can slide this back off.
Same on the other side.
So this is how the releasing clips looks like. Just press it down. See if I can show you properly. Yeah, see the clips. Press it down. Press this down as well, and go one side down. Come the other side, and again press the clip. Show you can focus in there. See this clip. That's it, and this goes down. See? That's it. So in order to remove the gearbox selector, we'll need to take the exhaust off from here. I saw it's very easy. All you need to do is to take these two screws off. As you can see, it's gonna go over there, one on each side of the exhaust. See, it's gonna go just there, one on each side. Okay, and move the exhaust to one side, and there is how you can take it off. Now we put it back on, but I think you can get it by now.
It has 4 clips. Once you push it inside, it stays all at its own.
Okay guys, so now I'm gonna show you how easy it is to take this off and replace the linkage cables. So you will have to break all this with your screwdriver, or it's a cutter, it's up to you. Also you have 4 screws. You need to remove them from here. Also you have another 2 over there, and one on there. Okay, and you should be able to take this off. Okay, here you have these 2 safety clips. You have to pull it out, up like that. You can use a screwdriver like this, or maybe a pliers or something. See, pry against the edge. Okay, once this is off, you can just take this off. Also here on this side, you need to tie these both together. I'm gonna show on this one. I think it's much easier. All you need to do is to press this together and this come loose. See? And to stick it back on, all you need to do is to press it back, and you will hear the click. You can see, very easy, only press them together. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, see, onto the edge here it's 2 pins. Just press them together, this come right off. See, easy busy.
Same thing with the blue one. Just be careful. The blue one, the pin on the blue one, it's copper, and the other one is white, as mostly steel.
The gray one it's with white, and this is copper, is
with red.
Yeah, this is just to not mix them up. So to put them back on, just put this safety clip back in, just like that. Press it down, make sure it's properly in there. Also the other one. Okay,
and that's how it's supposed to look like.
Yeah, this is how it's gonna look like. Yeah, put the screw back on, and you have your linkage replaced. Okay, tie them up, back on, and there you have it. Also, here was a tie down, or a strap, how you want to call it, to keep these two together. And you have them. I already replaced mine, I just film it now to show you how to do it. And also these two ends is gonna go to the gearbox lever. Alright. In order to remove the other side, on the gearbox side, I'm gonna show you now, you need to pull this off. And also on this side, all you need to do is to press these two together as well as on the other side. So on this side as well, you can see, let me see, focus there, okay, see, when you pull this lever, see, that thing, you can just push it right off. I'm gonna show you on the car, just 1 second. This is the same on both. The easiest way you can have access is through this wheel arch on the one of them, on that one on this side. Let me see if I can show you, see, on this side. Also on the other one from the bottom, you can have better access from there. But we get into it right now, just 1 second. Now all you need to do is to fit this wire back in.
I think we should have done this before.
Yeah, better idea is to fit this before you stick that in. Okay, so this is how assembly look like. As you can see, there it's that thing, and on this side it look like this. Also the gray one, let's see if I can show you somehow. This one, the gray one, is there, and the assembly somewhere at the bottom. Let me see if I can find a better angle for that one. Yeah, if you can just pull that thing to the side, and you can see it. You see, there is the gray one.
Yeah, but it needs to be placed back.
Yeah. Okay guys, so all it's in place now, as you can see. Let me take this to the side. Yeah, you can see there is the pin. Let me see if I can show you on the camera. Yeah, over there somewhere. It's all in place. Also the blue one. Yeah, that's it. All you have left now is to put the lever back on, and I think that's it here in the car. Okay, so now we need to put the exhaust back on with these 2 screws. Let me see how I'm gonna do it with one hand. Can push it slightly more. Yeah, that's it. In there. Okay, one more. On the other side. Okay, tighten it out. Oops.
Now he needs a new phone.
So here you have everything in place now. As you can see, all the cable goes all the way there. Alright, let me see if I can find a better angle for you to see that pin, what I'm still talking about. You see, that one over there, yeah, is that. Let's see if I can put my finger in there somehow. I think that's the one. You see, this smaller one, not that from the side, this which goes next to the cable, this one. Pull that off with the small pliers, and this should just press to the right. Alright. Over there. Let's see if I can make it bigger for you. Yeah. Yeah, that's the one. On the other side the same. And that's it.